Okay guys, welcome back. Today we're going to do an unboxing video of the Leatherman Rebar. I just got it today. I have not opened it yet. You can see when I turn the camera around here what it looks like. So this is the Leatherman Rebar. It has 17 tools. Comes with the Leatherman 25-year warranty. See, I have not messed with the package. Still in the packaging. So let's get into it. Alright, we're going to be using the Leatherman 3P2 with the package opener to unbox this Leatherman Rebar. So here we go. I'm going to give you guys my first impressions of the tool as well. So this is the Leatherman Rebar. First impressions are just as I expected, you know, pretty high quality tool from Leatherman. It's a little stiff, but I'd imagine that'll come with breaking it in. Let's get the leather, comes with a leather sheath. First impressions of the leather sheath are pretty good. Like I said, it's a little stiff as well, so that'll probably come with loosen up with time. But fits in the leather sheath nicely. Has 17 tools. We'll check out the knife here. See how sharp it is right out of the box. Always go with a shave test. So. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that, but it will shave. It is sharp. But I mean, overall, I think it's a pretty nice tool. Has the full three-dimensional Phillips on it. But yeah, like I said, it's a little stiff, but I mean, so far, I think it's a pretty nice tool. So there you have it. This is my unboxing and first impressions of the Leatherman Rebar. You know, thanks you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Hit that like and subscribe button. Leave a comment. Let me know if there's any other videos you guys would like to see me do. Well, take care, guys. Thanks.